Where?
They're in the other fridge.
Oh. Why is it in the other fridge?
Listen, man.
It's
Listen.
just where they ended up,
It's just
man.
yeah. People are buying it. Somebody fucking put 5 of them there, and the restock guy got confused. Fucking customers, you can't put shit back where it belongs.
Yeah, you know how it is, man.
Somebody.
Now,
Oh shit, we gotta like start cleaning this place more. Apparently, we're gonna have to buy that cleanup robot, Chris.
Cleanup robot?
my
Yeah, there's a
boy wants
cleanup robot.
everything out of my.
Oh, it's like a little Dustin.
It is a Dustin, yeah.
Cleaner bot. It's a little pricey.
It is, but I'm starting to
You
see
can
the.
flip it.
Maybe not yet. Maybe the next
Oh,
day.
it's cutesy.
It is.
Yeah, it's cutesy.
Oh, we gotta get it, dude.
Okay.
We gotta get it, dude. We gotta get it. If it's cute, we gotta get it.
Alright, watch out. Watch out, Gangy.
Hold on, gang in front of you right now. Yo, gang.
Yo,
I'm
but
gonna
it's
need
not
you to
letting
keep
me
it
put
push.
it anywhere. Oh, hey, he has to go in the storage room. Okay, this is great.
Oh.
Alright, we gonna get him. Or do you want to get the security alarms first?
It's a
Fuck.
minimal. It's a minimal waste. Come on.
Alright, get the robot.
Get the robot.
Get the robot. Oh, we got her. Ivan, look, we got a Roomba. Yeah, we got a
Got
Roomba.
the Roomba. That's
Nigga,
Dust.
peace,
Wait,
man.
how come that motherfucker ain't turning on though?